Good day everyone, my name is Cheska from grade 11 Purity, and today my group will present our advocacy, Clean Toilet Rooms, a step towards a healthier school.
Toilet room on school should be clean and design free.
Our advocacy aims to persuade students to be responsible on their environment.
Many students tend to avoid using school restrooms if they are dirty or hygienic. This puts pressure on the bladder. Ang mga eskwelahan ay dapat mag-disenyo ng mga palikuran na may maayos na drainage upang hindi magdumi ang sahig.
Go for a dry bathroom. Design, isa sa mga rason na karaniwang nagiging dahilan ng maduming palikuran ay hindi tuyo ang sahig.